Over the vast African plains, a new day rises, and with it begins one of nature's greatest journeys. Thousands gather as one, a restless force preparing to move. Driven by instinct and hunger, they march toward lands that promise life. A river of bodies flows across the plains. The migration has begun. Side by side with zebras, they travel in unity, each species protecting the other. Where prey gathers, predators watch with patient hunger. In a heartbeat, the silence breaks. An ambush erupts from the shadows. A storm of hooves shakes the earth as the herd flees for survival. But ahead lies their greatest test, the deadly Mara River. They hesitate, sensing the danger hidden beneath the surface. One bold leap breaks the fear, and the crossing begins. The river becomes a battlefield. Currents below, predators beyond. In the chaos of the river crossing, even the strongest fall. With jaws built for crushing bone. An ancient hunter explodes from the depths, claiming its chance. Against all odds, survivors rise from the river, scarred but alive. Beyond the river lies new life, and the journey continues, as it has for generations.